Aladdin Creations.
Welcome back to Aladdin Creations. In today's Hematology episode, we explore Burr cells, also known as echinocytes. Let's dive into their appearance, causes, and clinical relevance. What are Burr cells? Burr cells are abnormally shaped red blood cells. They appear with 10 to 30 short, blunt, and evenly spaced projections over their surface. These projections give the cell a spiky, sea urchin-like appearance. Under the microscope, they usually have a central pallor like normal RBCs, but their outer edges are markedly altered. Causes of Burr cells. There are two categories of causes, true and artifact. True Burr cells are associated with uremia, typically due to chronic kidney disease, liver disorders, hypomagnesemia, and hypophosphatemia, certain cancers, and chemotherapy. Artifact Burr cells are caused by improper blood smear preparation, delayed processing of the blood sample, high EDTA concentration in collection tubes. In other words, not all Burr cells are pathological. Some are simply the result of sample handling errors. Burr cells versus acanthocytes. It's important not to confuse Burr cells with acanthocytes. While both are spiked cells, Burr cells have many evenly spaced short projections. Acanthocytes, on the other hand, have fewer, irregular, and unevenly spaced projections. Clinical importance: seeing Burr cells on a blood smear might prompt further testing. If the cause is a disease, it could indicate renal failure, liver dysfunction, or metabolic imbalance. However, if it's due to a smear artifact, repeat sampling might be recommended. To summarize, Burr cells are RBCs with short, evenly spaced projections, seen in kidney disease, liver disorders, and electrolyte imbalances. Can also appear due to technical artifacts during smear preparation. Always consider the clinical context before interpretation. Thank you for watching. For more hematology insights, subscribe to Aladdin Creations and stay informed.